Middle. Okay. Next. Hi students, good evening. Good evening all. നമ്മൾ ഡോട്ട് പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് കണ്ടിന്യൂഷൻ നടത്താണ്. ഡോട്ട് പ്രൊഡക്റ്റും ക്രോസ് പ്രൊഡക്റ്റും നമ്മൾ നോക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഡോട്ട് പ്രൊഡക്റ്റിന്റെ എക്സാമ്പിൾ ആണ് നമ്മൾ ഈ വട്ടം നോക്കാൻ പോണേ. അതിൽ ഫസ്റ്റ് എക്സാമ്പിൾ ആണ് വർക്ക് ഡൺ. എന്താണ് വർക്ക് ഡൺ? എന്താണ് വർക്ക് ഡൺ? ഇവിടെ ഒരു ബോക്സ് ഇരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഈ ബോക്സ് മേലുള്ള ഫോഴ്സ് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് ആക്ട് ചെയ്യണം. അപ്പൊ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക, നമുക്ക് എല്ലാ വെക്ടറിനെയും രണ്ട് കമ്പോണന്റ് ആക്കാം. മുമ്പ് പറഞ്ഞു തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്, ഒരു വട്ടം കൂടി പറയാണ്. ഇത് എക്സ് ആക്സിസ്, ഇത് വൈ ആക്സിസ്. ഇത് ഇനീഷ്യൽ വെലോസിറ്റി യു, അതിന്റെ ഡയറക്ഷനാണ് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് കാണിച്ചേക്കണേ. അത് ഹൊറിസോണ്ടൽ ആയിട്ട് ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന ആംഗിൾ തീറ്റ എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുക. അപ്പൊ ഞാൻ ജസ്റ്റ് ഞാൻ ഇങ്ങനെ ആലോചിക്കാണ്, വാട്ട് ഈസ് കോസ് തീറ്റ? അതെന്താ? അഡ്ജസന്റ് സൈഡ് ബൈ ഹൈപ്പോട്ടന്യൂസ്. അപ്പൊ അഡ്ജസന്റ് സൈഡ് എന്താ? ഹൈപ്പോ കോസ് തീറ്റ. അപ്പൊ അഡ്ജസന്റ് സൈഡ് എന്താ? ഹൈപ്പോട്ടന്യൂസ് യു കോസ് തീറ്റ. അപ്പൊ അഡ്ജസന്റ് സൈഡിന്റെ അവിടെ ഞാൻ എന്ത് ചെയ്തി? യു കോസ് തീറ്റ എന്ന് എഴുതി. അതേപോലെ സൈൻ തീറ്റയ്ക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? സൈൻ തീറ്റ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് സൈഡ് ബൈ ഹൈപ്പോട്ടന്യൂസ് ആണ്. അപ്പൊ ഇതാണ് അഡ്ജസന്റ് സൈഡ്. ഇത് റൈറ്റ് ആംഗിൾ ട്രയാംഗിൾ ആണ്. അപ്പൊ അതിന്റെ അഡ്ജസന്റ് സൈഡ് ഇത് ദിസ് ഈസ് ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് സൈഡ്, ദിസ് ഈസ് ഹൈപ്പോട്ടന്യൂസ്. വാട്ട് ഈസ് സൈൻ തീറ്റ? ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് സൈഡ് ബൈ ഹൈപ്പോട്ടന്യൂസ്. So oppo is equal to what? Hypo sin theta. What is hypotenuse here? U. So what is opposite? U sin theta. So this is what? U sin theta. If I move my hand like this, I can say that this distance is equal to this distance. So this is also what? U sin theta. This is also what? U sin theta. So what is this? I am resolving a vector into rectangular components. What are they? Resolving a vector into rectangular components. What are those two components? Cos component and sin component. Next time I won't explain all these things. I will simply write this is initial velocity u. Then this would have been u cos theta and this would have been u sin theta. So this is x and this is y. U cos theta and u sin theta. U cos theta and u sin theta. Now similarly, if on a body of mass m, a horizontal force m is F is applied, then what will be this component? If this is angle theta, then this would have been F cos theta. Then this would have been F sin theta. Now this is the displacement S. So what is F? Displacement. Now remember, what is work done? Work done is equal to product of component of force in the direction of displacement component of force in the direction of displacement with the displacement. Component of force in the direction of displacement with the displacement. That is work done. So students, you should know what is meant by work done. It is the component of force in the direction of displacement. What is that component of force in the direction of displacement? F cos theta. See, you can see that there is one more component, F sin theta. But that is not in the direction of displacement, because displacement is in this direction. In the direction of displacement only we have what? F cos theta. There is no contribution of the vertical component, that is F sin theta, in the displacement. F sin theta doesn't act in the direction of displacement. So when you calculate work done is equal to what? What is the component of force in the direction of displacement? F cos theta into displacement S. So work done is equal to what? Work done is equal to what? Fs cos theta. What is Fs cos theta? We know that A vector dot B vector equal to AB cos theta. So what is Fs cos theta? What is Fs cos theta? F vector dot S vector. So we know that what is work done? F vector dot S vector. So how we are getting work done? Work done is a dot product of force vector and displacement vector. See, actually this topic comes in work energy power chapter. But since we are studying about scalar product or dot product, here I am explaining work done here itself. So what is work done? Component of force in the direction of displacement. Why it is important? Because next time, suppose this is the rope of Vadamvali, tug of war. See, at what direction I should be applying force? I should be applying force in the exact direction, this direction. Suppose I am pulling the rope in this to this side, I should be bending my back and I should be applying force in the direction of displacement. Suppose I am not bending, I am standing like this and I am pulling. What happens? One component, that is this is the force. If I apply force in this direction, this force can be resolved into two components, F sin theta and F cos theta. Now my question is, F cos theta is contributing to the work done. F sin theta is it contributing to the work done? No contribution from F sin theta. So if you apply force in the vertical direction of the rope, what is the problem? The one part of your total force, that is the vertical component, that is F sin theta, is going as a waste. Why? Because when you calculate work done, you have to take the component that is act in the direction of displacement. This is the displacement direction of the rope. So what is that component acting in the direction of displacement? Only F cos theta. If you are pulling the rope in an angle, so this is wrong method of tug of war. And suppose you are, this is again you are pulling, suppose you are bending and you are applying all the force in this direction. What is theta here? 0. So what is work done? Fs. So here all force is contributing to the work done. What is the problem here? If you pull the rope up in an angle with the horizontal, only work done is having only what? Is work done getting total force? No. Work done is getting only a component of force, that is F cos theta into S. So if you are, so what is the problem here? Some part of your force, that is vertical component of force, is gone as a wastage. But what is the advantage of pulling the rope in this manner? The whole force is contributing to the work done. So that is the reason why tug of war people bends and apply force, what his the force in the direction of horizontal, theta will be 0, maximum work done here. Here what is the advantage? Maximum work done. So there is a more chance of winning the tug of war competition here. Makkale manasilayo, are you able to follow this concept? Now similarly, suppose there is a big box, you have to move this box. If you apply force in this direction, you have to move the box in this direction. You are applying force in this direction. What is the problem? Again, it is making an angle theta with the horizontal. So what will be this component? F cos theta. And what will be this component? F sin theta. From the figure itself, you can see that F sin theta is not contributing to the displacement or work done, because displacement is in this direction. What is the force or component of force in the direction of displacement? Only F cos theta. There is no contribution from F sin theta. So F sin theta is going as a wastage. And suppose the same, this figure, I am doing it in another way. I am applying whole force in this direction. So force and displacement in the same direction. So what is theta? 0. So what is work done? Fs. So minimum force, with the minimum force you can accomplish that task. Here you have to apply large force. വിസ്മയ മനസ്സിലായോ? മനസ്സിലായ എല്ലാവർക്കും? ആ ആംഗിളുകളുടെ പ്രത്യേകത മനസ്സിലായേ? നമ്മൾ ശ്രദ്ധിച്ച വക്രം കിട്ടണമെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ കറക്റ്റ് ഇഫ് യു ആർ അപ്ലൈങ് ഫോഴ്സ് ഇൻ ദ എക്സാക്ട് സെയിം ഡയറക്ഷൻ ഓഫ് ഡിസ്പ്ലേസ്മെന്റ് തീറ്റ വിൽ ബി 0, there will be maximum work done. ക്ലിയർ ആയോ? നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഓണാണ് വരാൻ പോണേ. ടഗ് ഓഫ് വാർ ഉണ്ടാവും, വടംവലി ഉണ്ടാവും. ഇത് ഓർത്ത് വെച്ചിട്ട് വടംവലിക്ക് പങ്കെടുത്തോളൂ. ഇങ്ങനെ നിന്ന് വടം വലിക്കരുത്. ഇങ്ങനെ നിന്ന് വടം വലിച്ചാൽ തോക്കുള്ളൂ. വടം വലിക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ ബെൻഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ വലിക്കണം. അപ്പൊ തീറ്റ എത്രയാവും? 0. മാക്സിമം വക്രം കിട്ടും. മനസ്സിലായോ? ക്ലിയർ ആയ? ഇല്ല, മനസ്സിലാവണില്ല. നിങ്ങൾ റെസ്പോണ്ട് ചെയ്യും മക്കളെ. ക്ലിയർ ആണ്? നോട്ട് ചെയ്യടാ, നോട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. നോട്ട് ചെയ്യട്ടോ. അതിനൊപ്പം നിങ്ങൾ നോട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന കാര്യമാണ് റിസോൾവിംഗ് എ വെക്ടർ ഇൻടു റെക്ടാംഗുലർ കോമ്പോണൻസ്. വാട്ട് ആർ ദോസ് കോമ്പോണൻസ്? സൈൻ കമ്പോണന്റ് ആൻഡ് കോസ് കമ്പോണന്റ്. കഴിഞ്ഞോ? നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഡിഫറെന്റ് ടൈപ്സ് ഓഫ് വർക്ക് ഡൺ. അതിൽ ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ ആണ് പോസിറ്റീവ് വർക്ക് ഡൺ. What is positive work done? If force and displacement act in the same direction, then it is called positive work done. If force and displacement act in the same direction, then it is called positive work done. So suppose there is a box. I am pulling the force in this direction. Displacement is also in the same direction. So here theta is equal to what? 0 degree. What is cos 0? 1. What is work done? Work done is equal to F vector dot S vector. Work done equal to Fs cos theta. If theta equal to 0 degree, if theta is equal to 0 degree. Cos 0 is equal to what? 1. So work done is equal to what? Fs. This is what? Positive work done. This is what? Positive work done. When the force and displacement are in the same direction. Second case, negative work done. What is negative work done? Remember, here this is the box. See, I am applying a force in this direction. Displacement also in the same direction. But what about frictional force? Frictional force opposes this motion. Frictional force and displacement act in what? Opposite direction. So theta is equal to what? 180 degree. So what is work done here? Frictional force and displacement act in opposite direction. Here frictional force and displacement act in opposite direction. Therefore, theta will be 180 degree. Cos 180 will be what? Minus 1. So work done is equal to what? F vector dot S vector. So work done is equal to what? Fs cos 180. That is Fs into minus 1. That is minus Fs. This is an example for negative work done. So what are the two types of work done? Positive work done and negative work done. Positive work done and negative work done. So please note down positive work done and negative work done. There is one more time that I will explain once you complete this. Positive work done, negative work done. No data. Note a positive work done, negative work done. I hope all of you done. Next is zero work done. Next, zero work done. When force and displacement when force and displacement act in opposite direction, we will have, sorry, not opposite direction. When force and displacement act perpendicular to each other, we will have zero work done. See, suppose I am a head load worker. Head load worker means what? Means തലച്ചുമടായിട്ട് തലയിൽ ലോഡ് വയ്ക്കുന്ന head load worker. And I am moving like this. So which direction I am applying force? My head applies force in the upward direction. And what is the displacement of the box on my head? It moves like this. So what is the angle between force is in this upward direction, displacement in this direction. So what is the angle between force and displacement? When force and displacement are perpendicular to each other, theta is equal to what? 90 degree. Cos 90 is equal to what? 0. So work done is equal to what? F vector dot S vector. So work done is equal to what? Fs cos theta. If theta is equal to 90 degree, cos 90 is equal to what? 0. So work done is equal to what? 0. Work done is equal to what? 0. I will give some example. The work done required for electron to revolve around the nucleus, is 0. Work done required for electron to revolve around the nucleus is 0. Why? See, this is nucleus. Here electron is revolving around the nucleus in circular path, maybe in the anti-clockwise direction. See, if a body, it's very important to understand that if a body moves in circular path, that body should have centripetal force. What is centripetal force? Direction of centripetal force is towards center. Direction of centripetal force is what? Towards center. See, this is the direction of F suffix C. In the centripetal, centri means center, petal means seeking. So what is the direction of centripetal force? Towards center. A force which acts towards the center of circular path is called centripetal force. And the displacement will be along the tangent. This is called what? Tangent. So what is the angle between centripetal force and displacement? 90 degree. So here angle between centripetal force and displacement will be 0. Hence, work done will be, angle between centripetal and force and displacement will be what? 90 degree. Hence, work done will be what? 0. Why work done 0? Since force and displacement act in the opposite direction. Sorry, not opposite direction. Force and displacement act perpendicular to each other. That is an example for 0 work done. Another example, the work done required for moon to revolve around the earth, to revolve around the earth is also 0. Is also 0. Why it is 0? What is the reason? Since, again same answer, since centripetal force and displacement act perpendicular to, central force and displacement act perpendicular to each other. Work done will be what? 0. Any doubt? മക്കളെ ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടോ? 0 വർക്ക് ഡൺ ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടോ? ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടോ മക്കളെ? ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടോ? നോട്ട് ചെയ്താ? നോട്ട് ചെയ്യൂ. 0 work done. So 3 types of work done: positive work done, negative work done, then എന്താ? 0 work done. 3 type work done. ക്ലിയർ ആണോ? 3 ടൈപ്പ് വർക്ക് ഡൺ ക്ലിയർ ആണോ? വിസ്മയ ക്ലിയർ ആണ്. others noted? Clear? Okay, did you note that? നോട്ട് ചെയ്താ? നോട്ടഡ്. yeah. Done. Next, projection of A vector on B vector. See, this is A vector and let this be B vector, and this is angle theta. Then what is this side? A cos theta. So what is this A cos theta? That is projection. Projection equal to this projection of A vector is called what? A cos theta. Now how to find out A cos theta? A vector dot B vector equal to what? A cos theta into B. So what is A? That is AB cos theta. I will explain. A vector dot B vector is what? AB cos theta generally, but we can write what? A cos theta into B. So what is projection of A vector? Projection of A vector is what? Projection of A vector is what? Projection of A vector is A cos theta. How to find out A cos theta? A vector dot B vector by B. A vector dot B vector by B. That is projection of A vector on B vector. Please note down projection of a vector on another vector. Here we are calculating projection of A vector on B vector. So projection of A vector on B vector is what? A cos theta. What is A cos theta? A vector dot B vector by B. So what is projection of A vector? That is A cos theta is equal to A vector dot B vector by B. Now, if A vector is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap and B vector is equal to 4i cap minus 3j cap plus 2k cap. What is A vector dot B vector? We know how to find out dot product. Multiply coefficient of I cap, that is 2 into 4. Then multiply coefficient of j cap, 3 into minus 3. Plus what? Minus k. What is the coefficient of k? If it is simply k cap, it is 1. But there is a minus sign. So minus 1 into plus 2. So what is the answer? 8 minus 9 minus 2. 8 minus 9 is what? Minus 1 minus 2. So what is the answer? Minus 3. So what is that? A vector dot B vector equal to minus 3 units. Any doubt? Doubt ഉണ്ടോ? ഡോട്ട് പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് കാണാൻ എന്ത് ചെയ്താൽ മതി? എക്സ് കമ്പോണന്റ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുക, വൈ കമ്പോണന്റ് രണ്ട് വെക്ടേഴ്സിന്റെ എക്സ് കമ്പോണന്റുകൾ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുക, വൈ കമ്പോണന്റുകൾ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുക, സെഡ് കമ്പോണന്റുകൾ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്താൽ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് കിട്ടും? ഡോട്ട് പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് കിട്ടും. വലിയ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടൊന്നുമില്ല ഡോട്ട് പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് കാണാൻ. നോട്ട് ചെയ്താ? കഴിഞ്ഞില്ലേ? അടുത്തത് show that given vectors 2i cap plus 5j cap plus k cap and 4i cap minus 3j cap plus 7k cap are perpendicular. We have to prove that these two vectors are perpendicular. How to prove given vectors are perpendicular? If dot product of two vectors are 0, they are perpendicular. So, how to find out dot product? 2 into 4 x component and here also x component plus 5 into minus 3 plus 1 into 7. Here coefficient of k 1 and here it is 7. So 2 into 4 8, 5 into minus 3 minus 15 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is what? 15 minus 15 is what? 0. Since dot product is 0, vectors are perpendicular. Any doubt? മക്കളുടെ ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടോ? അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. If force F vector is equal to 3i cap plus 4j cap minus 5k cap acting on a body produces displacement of d vector is equal to 5i cap plus 4j cap minus 3k cap, then find the work done by force. So what is work done? Work done is equal to F vector dot S vector. So work done is equal to what? 3 into 5 plus 4 into 4 plus minus 5 into minus 3. 3 into 5 is what? 15. 4 into 4, 16 plus 15. So 15 plus 15, 30 plus 16, 46 joule is the work done. Unit of work done is what? Joule. Note here. ചെയ്തുണ്ട്. Okay, fine. Done, right? So next question. A body constrained to move along the z axis of a coordinate system is subject to a constant force F given by F vector is equal to minus I cap plus 2j cap plus 3 k cap Newton. What is the work done? Work done in moving the body 4 meter along Z axis. Now see, body constrained means what? Limited. That means the body is able to move along Z axis only. So what is the force here? F factor is equal to minus I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. What is the displacement? Displacement is only along Z axis. So 0 I cap, x direction no displacement, y direction also no displacement, z direction what is the displacement? 4 meter along Z axis. So instead of means Z direction displacement is what? 4. So I am writing 4k cap. There is no displacement in x direction, so 0 I cap. No displacement in y direction, so 0 j cap. So what is F factor dot S factor now? Minus 1 into 0 plus 2 into 0 plus what? 3 into 4. So what is the answer? F factor dot S factor? 0 plus 0 plus 12. So work done is equal to how much joule? 12 joule. So this is done. Next question. A man tries to pull a rigid wall for a long time but fails to displace it. What is the external work done by him? What is the external work done by him? What is the external work done by him? Now here work done is 0. Why? If work done to happen, since displacement is 0. If displacement is 0, work done is 0. Work done is 0 since displacement is 0. That is done. Now suggest 2 conditions in which work done is 0. What are the 2 conditions in which work done is 0? Work done by the applied force is 0. Suggest 2 conditions in which work done by the applied force is 0. I hope you got the question. Suggest 2 conditions in which work done by the applied force is 0 means what? Force is there, but work done should be 0. What are the 2 conditions? First one, when force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. Condition number 1. Second condition is what? When the work done is 0. When the displacement is 0. Displacement is 0, work done will be 0. When force and displacement are perpendicular to each other, then also work done is 0. When the displacement is 0. Displacement is 0, work done is 0. When the force and displacement are perpendicular to each other, then also work done is 0. It's a very important question. So, these 2 conditions, you can expect this question for Kerala board exam. So, these 2 conditions in which work done by the applied force is 0. What are those 2 conditions? When force and displacement are perpendicular to each other, when displacement is 0. Next question. For what value of n for what value of m is the vector A vector is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap perpendicular to B vector is equal to 3i cap minus mj cap plus 6k cap. So we have to find out the value of m for which these two vectors are perpendicular. Now, given vectors are perpendicular, that means their dot product should be 0. Their dot product should be 0. That is 2 into 3 plus 3 into minus m plus minus 6 into 6 has to be 0. So 6 minus 3m minus 36 equal to 0. So 6 minus 36 equal to what? Plus 3m. So minus 30 is equal to what? 3m. So m is equal to what? Minus 30 by 3, m equal to what? Minus 10. Any doubt? Doubt now? ആർക്കെങ്കിലും ഡൗട്ട് ഉണ്ടോ? ക്ലിയർ ആണോ? Then next question. Prove that the vectors A vector is equal to 2i cap minus 3j cap minus k cap and B vector is equal to minus 6i cap plus 9j cap plus 3k cap are parallel. We have to prove that these two vectors are parallel. Remember, if cross product is 0, vectors are parallel. Cross product is 0, vectors are parallel. So let's see, we have to prove that vectors are parallel. So we have to find out cross product. So A vector cross B vector equal to what we have to follow? I cap, j cap, k cap. Then write the coefficient of A, 2, minus 3, minus 1. B, minus 6, 9, 3. Then what we have to do, that is equal to I cap into, just remove the row and column which contains I cap. Row and column remove. So what is left? Minus 3, minus 1, 9, 3. Second term, compulsory, we have to give a minus sign. So minus j cap into 2 minus 1 minus 6, 3 plus k cap into 2 minus 3 minus 6, 9. So I cap into minus 3 into 3, 9, minus 9 into minus 1, minus 9, minus j cap into 2 into 3, 6, minus 6 into minus 1, plus 6, plus k cap into 2 into 9, 18, minus 6 into minus 3, plus 18. What is the answer? Minus 3 into 3, minus 3 minus 1, 9, 3. So I cap into minus 3 into 3, 9. Minus 3 into 3, minus 9. So minus 9 plus 9 minus 3 into 3 it is minus 9 minus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap. What is minus 9 plus 9? 0 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap. So these two vectors are what? Parallel. Zero I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap. That means what? Vectors are parallel. Arathi. Pulli in well, Linda casil work done 0. This is pulley. This is well. I am pulling this bucket full of water. I am pulling force, applying force in this direction. Force is in this direction. Here I am pulling a downward force and the displacement of pulley is in the upward direction. Now, are they parallel? Sorry, are they perpendicular? No, it cannot be 0. Work done is not 0. Are there any doubt? See, in order to pull the water, in order to take water out of the well, what you are doing? You are applying a downward force using pulley. And the bucket is having an upward displacement. See, force is in this direction, displacement in the upward direction. Now, is force and displacement are perpendicular? No. So, work done is not 0. Any doubt? Are there any doubt? I hope it is clear. Yeah. Not exactly negative because it is not 180. We can't say it is negative work done. There is a work done, but it is not 100 negative because negative means what? It has to be 180. It is not in the exact opposite direction. Next question. Calculate area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram whose two adjacent sides are formed by the vectors A vector is equal to 3i cap plus 4j cap and B vector is equal to minus 3i cap plus 7j cap. See, what is A vector cross B vector? How to find out area of the parallelogram? Suppose two vectors are given as the two sides of a parallelogram, and if they are asking for area of the parallelogram, you have to first of all do the cross product, then take the magnitude of cross product will be the area of the parallelogram. Let's see. A vector cross B vector. What is that? I cap, j cap, k cap. 3, 4, 0. Because 3, 4 instead of k cap I am putting 0. And the next one is what? Minus 3, 7, again 0. There is nothing in the k side. So I cap into 4 into 0, that is 0. 4. Zero. Okay, I should write I cap 4, 0, 7, 0. Second term compulsory give minus sign minus j cap into 3, 0, minus 3, 0 plus k into 3, 4, minus 3, 7. So cross multiply 0 minus 0 and j cap into 3 into 0 minus 0 plus k cap into c 3 into 7, 21 minus 12. So what is the answer you will get? 0 I cap plus 0 j cap. 21 plus 2 is 12 is what? 33 k cap. So what is A vector cross B vector? 33 k cap. So what is magnitude of A vector cross B vector? How to find out magnitude of a vector? Root of x component square plus y component square plus z component square. That is root 33 square, that is equal to 33. Any doubts? So how to find out the area of parallelogram? First find cross product, then do what? Magnitude of cross product will give what? Area of parallelogram. Doubt now? Centimeter square or meter square? Harsha, you should write 33 square units. It shouldn't be specifying whether it is centimeter square or meter square. Simply write 33 square units. Okay, don't write centimeter square or meter square. Noted, all of you noted. Next, find the torque of a force. Find the torque of a force. F vector is equal to minus 3i cap plus j cap plus 5k cap acting at a point r vector is equal to 7i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. Given, we have to find out that given we know that torque is equal to, torque is an example for cross product, r vector cross f vector. See, remember, torque is r vector cross f vector. Purposely, the person who put this question has given F vector first. Don't do F vector cross R vector. Torque should be what? R vector cross F vector. So what is R vector cross F vector? See, I cap, J cap, K cap. Then what? Instead of R vector, you should write 7, 3, 1. Instead of F vector, you should write what? -3, 1, 5. So I cap into 3 into 5, 15. I cap into 3, 1, 1, 5 minus J cap into 7, 1 minus 3, 5 plus K cap into 7, 3 minus 3, 1. So I cap into 3 into 5, 15 minus 1 minus J cap into 7 into 5, 35 minus 3 plus K cap into 7 minus 9. So 15 minus 1, 14 I cap, 30 minus 38 J cap, 35 plus 3 becomes plus 3, K cap into 16. So what is the answer? 14 I cap, answer will be 14 I cap minus 38 J cap plus 16 K cap. This will be the answer. This will be the answer. Remember, tau vector equal to R vector cross F vector. In questions, they will purposely be giving F vector first. Don't fall into that trap. It should be R vector cross F vector. I am writing the example for cross product once again. Angular moment L vector equal to R vector cross P vector. Tau vector equal to R vector cross F vector. Linear acceleration A vector equal to alpha vector cross R vector. Linear velocity V vector equal to omega vector cross R vector. Marakalle. Done. Last V vector equal to omega vector cross R vector. Remember that. All of you noted? Noted. Next question. Determine the sign of angle between vectors. Angle between vectors 3i cap plus j cap plus 2k cap and 2i cap minus 2 j cap plus 4 k cap. Determine the sign of the angle. We know that A vector cross B vector equal to what? AB sin theta n cap. That we know. So what is magnitude of A vector cross B vector? Magnitude means what? N cap is not required, because we know that it is the n cap that gives what? It is an n cap that gives cross product a vector quantity, that makes cross product a vector quantity. So what is sin theta? So magnitude means what? N cap is not required. It is the direction. N cap is giving direction to cross product. So what is magnitude of A vector cross B vector? Then N cap is not required. So what is sin theta? Magnitude of A vector cross B vector divided by A into B will give what? Sin theta. Now what is magnitude of A vector cross B vector? Let's see. A vector cross B vector. First of all, we have to find out magnitude cross product. I cap, j cap, k cap. Then what? 3, 1, 2. Then what? 2 minus 2, 4. So that is equal to I cap into 1, 2 minus 2, 4 minus j cap into 3, 1, 2 minus 2 plus k cap into 3, 1, 2 minus 2. So what is the A vector cross B vector is equal to I cap into 4 minus 4. So 8. 4 minus 2 into minus 2 minus 2. So 4 plus 4, 8 minus j cap into 3 minus 2 minus 6 minus 3 minus 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus 2 is what? Again minus 8 plus k cap into 3 minus 2 minus 6 minus 2 again what? Minus 8. So what is the answer we got? 8 I cap plus 8 j cap minus 8 k cap. This is A vector cross B vector. So magnitude of A vector cross B vector will be what? Root of 8 square plus 8 square plus minus 8 the square. That is what? Root 64 plus root plus 64 plus 64. So answer is what? If you solve this, root 192. What is root 192? 8 root 3. This is the magnitude of A vector cross B vector. Now what is A? What is A? See, magnitude of A vector is what? Root of 3 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. A equal to root 9 plus 1 plus 4. So A equal to root 14. Now what is B? Root of 2 square plus minus 2 square plus 4 square. So B equal to what? Root of 4 plus 4 plus 16. So B equal to what? Root 24. So what is A vector cross B vector? No, what is sin theta? Magnitude of A vector cross B vector that we found out to be 8 root 3 divided by magnitude of A is what? Root 14. Magnitude of B is what? Root 24. So 8 root 3, instead of 8 I am writing root 8 into root 3. Instead of root 14 I am writing root 7 into root 2. Instead of root 24 I am writing root 8 into root 3. So root 3 gone, root 3 gone, root 8 gone. So root 8 and what is root 8? In the first class I told you root 8 can be written as 2 root 2 divided by root 7 into root 2. So 1 root 2 gone. So what is the answer? 2 by root 7. 2 by root 7. That is a sine of the angle theta. 2 by root 7. Any doubt? I think with this problem, we can, if you are getting this problem right, you are okay with the cross product, magnitude of cross product, everything is done here. Very important problem. Doubt ഉണ്ടോ? കഴിഞ്ഞ? Done? നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടോ എന്ന് പറയട്ടോ, എനിക്കൊരു ഡൗട്ട് അത് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടോന്ന്. A vector is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap and B vector is equal to 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 4k cap. Find the value of A vector plus B vector into A vector minus B vector. ചെയ്തത്. First of all, you have to find out A vector plus B vector. Then cross multiply it with A vector minus B vector. ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. Done. So those who have not done, please do this problem. Next, prove that PT means what? Prove that A vector equal to 4i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap and B vector is equal to 12i cap plus 9j cap plus 3k cap are parallel to each other. Prove that they are parallel to each other. ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടോ? ഇത് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടാവില്ല. Prove that these two vectors are parallel to each other. Same model question ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. Ananya TV, sir, in previous question you made a mistake. What is that mistake I have? What is the mistake I have made? You said I have made a mistake. What is that mistake, Ananya TP? So please prove this question. I hope you can do it yourself. Eight I cap. 8 I cap. Eight I cap minus 8 J cap, yeah. Minus J cap into minus 8 J cap. Minus J cap into 3 into what is the second term? Minus J cap into 3 into 4, 3, 2, 2, 4. I think I have repeated the same thing. J cap 3, 2, 2, 4. 3 into 4, 12. 12 minus 4, 8. Yeah, it should be minus J cap plus 8. It should be minus 8 J cap. Yeah, it's a mistake from my side. But incidentally, the answer got the same only, but there is a mistake because J cap into J row and J column should be removed. So 3, 2, 2, 4. 3, 2, 2, 4. So 12. 3 into 4, 12 minus 2 into 2, 4. 12 minus 4 is what? 8. 8 into minus J cap, it should be minus 8 J cap. Answer is same, but there is a mistake in that step. Yeah. Ananya TP, thank you, മോളെ. പറഞ്ഞതിന് നന്ദി. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ തെറ്റി പോയേനെ. ആ കറക്ഷൻ വരുത്തിക്കോളെ. അവിടെ ഒരു കറക്ഷൻ വന്നിട്ടേ. കറക്ഷൻ ചെയ്തോളൂ കേട്ടോ. ആ കറക്ഷൻ വരുത്തിക്കോളെ. അവിടെ ഒരു കറക്ഷൻ ഉണ്ട്. ആ ജെ ക്യാപ്പിന്റെ അവിടെ ഒരു കറക്ഷൻ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ആ ജെ ക്യാപ്പിന്റെ അവിടെ ഒരു കറക്ഷൻ വന്നിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. 3, 2, 2, 4 ആണ്. അവിടെ ഈ കോളം ഞാൻ റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് തെറ്റിയിട്ട്. ഐ ഹോപ്പ് ഓൾ ഓഫ് യു മേഡ് ദാറ്റ് കറക്ഷൻ. കറക്ഷൻ വന്നിട്ട് 3, 2, 2, 4. ആൻസറിൽ minus 8 J cap ആണ് കേട്ടോ വരിക. പിന്നെ ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് അങ്ങോട്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ പ്രശ്നമൊന്നുമില്ല. ഇത് 8 സ്ക്വയർ തന്നെയാണ്. മൈനസ് പ്ലസ് -8 the whole square വരും. അത് +8 the whole square ആണെങ്കിൽ ആൻസർ സെയിം തന്നെയാണ്. ആൻസറിൽ തെറ്റില്ല, പക്ഷെ സ്റ്റെപ്പിൽ കറക്ഷൻ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഇത് പ്രൂഫ് കിട്ടിയില്ലേ നിങ്ങൾക്ക്? ഈ രണ്ട് വെക്ടേഴ്സ് പാരലൽ പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്തില്ലേ? യു ഹാവ് ഡൺ ക്രോസ് പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ്. and your answer you got is what? 0. Next question. Next, determine a unit vector perpendicular to both a vector equal to 2 I cap plus j cap plus k cap and b vector is equal to I cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. Unit vector perpendicular to both the vectors. That is our question. We know that a vector cross b vector equal to what? AB sine theta n cap. So what is magnitude of a vector cross b vector? It is AB sine theta. Then n cap is not required. So a vector cross b vector is equal to, instead of AB sine theta, I can write what? A vector cross b vector into n cap. So what is n cap? That is unit vector perpendicular to both the vectors. A vector cross b vector divided by magnitude of a vector cross b vector. So this tells you that if you find cross product of two vectors divided by magnitude of cross product, you will get what? Unit vector perpendicular to both the vectors. So what you have to do? First find out the cross product, A vector cross B vector. Then find magnitude of A vector cross B vector. Let's do A vector cross B vector equal to I cap, J cap, K cap, 2, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 2. That is I cap into 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus J cap into 2, 1, 1 minus 1. Sorry, again I have done the same. 2, 1, 1, 2 minus K cap into 2, 1, 1 minus 1. So I cap into 2 cross multiply 2 minus minus 1 minus J cap into 4 minus 1 minus K cap into minus 2 minus 1. So that is equal to 3 I cap minus 3 J cap plus 3 K cap. Here it is not minus, it is plus. So, minus 3 K cap. Minus 2 minus 1 then plus K cap. So minus 3 into K cap means for minus 3 K cap. So 3 I cap minus 3 J cap minus 3 K cap. This is A vector cross B vector. Now what is magnitude of A vector cross B vector? Root of 3 square plus minus 3 square plus minus 3 square. That is equal to root 27. So what will be the answer? N cap is equal to A vector cross B vector divided by magnitude of A vector cross B vector. This is the question. So A vector cross B vector is what? 3 I cap minus 3 J cap minus 3 K cap divided by magnitude is what? Root 27. What is root 27? It is 3 root 3. If I take 3 common in the numerator, I cap minus J cap minus K cap divided by 3 root 3. So 3 3 gone. So 1 by root 3 into I cap minus J cap minus K cap. This will be the answer. അത് മനസ്സിലായോ? 1 by root 3 into I cap minus J cap minus K cap. അത് മനസ്സിലായോ? മക്കളെ അത് മനസ്സിലായോ? കഴിഞ്ഞോ? എഴുതി കഴിഞ്ഞില്ലേ? അപ്പൊ ഇന്നത്തോടു കൂടിയിട്ട് നമ്മുടെ ഡോട്ട് പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് ക്രോസ് പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് കഴിഞ്ഞു കേട്ടോ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നമ്മൾ വെക്ടർ അഡീഷൻ, ട്രയാങ്കുലർ ലോ വെക്ടർ അഡീഷൻ, പാരലോഗ്രാം ലോ ഓഫ് വെക്ടർ അഡീഷൻ, അതിന്റെ അപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ടൈപ്പ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ചെയ്യൂ കേട്ടോ. അപ്പൊ താങ്ക് യു ഓൾ, താങ്ക് യു.